Now we will be applying the seismic load on the R23 plus G building. Now let's define the seismic load. So first of all, open the model and unlock it. Now go to define load patterns and name it as seismic. Change the type to seismic and select the IS code 1893. Add new load, and the new load is added. Go to modify lateral load and after clicking on the modify lateral load, now we will set this value as per the code book. As our construction building is in Bangalore, let's go to the code book. Let's go to the code book, page number 5. Here is the zone number in which our building is falling. Our building is falling in zone 2, it's in blue color, it's in Bangalore. And now go to table number 2. As you can see, our zone is 2 and our seismic intensity is 0.10. Let's go to here, seismic zone. Now assume site type as 2, and for importance factor we will refer the IS code book and we'll go to the table number 6. Here is our importance factor for other buildings. Let's take it as 1. By referring here, we'll take importance factor as 1 and program calculated, and our load will be acting in x and y direction. And now we come to the response reduction, that is R, and on page number 7 of IS 1893 we'll get the response reduction value. Table number we can see here, response reduction for ordinary RCC moment resisting was 3, so we will take 3. Now seismic load is defined, and click on OK. It is defined. Now we will be applying it on the building. Click on OK to exit. Now go to the define, load case, seismic is here, and define combination. All the combination come with seismic also, you can see in circle. If they didn't come, add different design combos. Click on the concrete frame design and they will come back. Okay, now we will design. Click on the concrete frame preference, make sure that it is IS456. Click on OK. Now go to design, concrete frame design. Analysis result is not available, so we'll run it again. So after completing the analysis, we'll design, go to design. Okay, still the analysis is going on. As you can see on the bottom left corner, this is our result after analysis, and you can see the displacement value also, and you can go here and display power styles. You can see the momentum along the 3 axis, you can see, and shear also you can see. You see, yeah, you can switch also. Okay, I will design. Click on the design, convert from design, wave preference, AS456. Okay. Then from here, design, conquer, start check design. We'll run the design check on the frame sections. As you can see here, the total frames are filled, so we will reiterate it. It will design itself automatically to the higher values or the higher dimensions of the columns or frames which I have filled. After analysis, go to design and click on the verify all members pass. If all members are passed, then generate the report, where on the left side you can click on the report, and that report will be the report window will be displayed. All the detailing will be present in that also. Okay. And my analysis is going on, so I have told you all the further process. You can try it yourself.